guys, Andy Thomas here again from Herbal Nutrition for Life. I'm an independent Herbalife distributor. This is running on a series of healthy breakfasts that we can do that'll set you up for a day or throughout the day. Statistically, in the UK, 48% of the people don't have breakfast. They don't have time. They're rushing to work. They're having a quick coffee. 47% of the UK population just don't have breakfast at all. Now, your body needs nutrients. It wakes up in the morning, it's repairing itself as you're sleeping. It's looking for those nutrients and vitamins and minerals to start the day. And when you're not eating the right food or not having any food, you're running on empty. It's like running a car on empty. It splutters and eventually it stops. And this is how your body is through the day. You may be okay for a while and suddenly you're craving for something. You're looking for the sugary snacks. You're looking for that not very healthy mid-morning snack just to keep you going and a few more cups of coffee. Well, I'm trying to put a stop to this, guys. What I'm going to do is show you one of the series I'm doing on healthy breakfast, the Herbalife way. And for a simple 220 calories a meal, it's packed full of 21 vitamins, minerals, nutrients that set you up for a perfect day. It keeps the blood sugar balances, the insulin levels balanced throughout the day. So by the end of the day, you've still got energy and you're not slouching on that settee. And I'm sure some of you guys are thinking, yeah, I know, I'm just exactly how I feel. I've had a hard day. But it's not the hard day. It's the lack of nutrients you're putting inside your body that's causing that hard day. So let's put a stop to this, guys. So what I'm going to do now is show you very, very simply what I do every single morning. I vary the medium, and the medium is, I love, I don't mind promoting the product because it's a very good product. Almond original. You can have the unsweetened, you can have soya one. So all I do is very simply, it doesn't matter if it's exact amount, but roughly 220, it's roughly 220 milliliters. It doesn't matter if there's any more. Today I've got loads of blueberries. I love blueberries. It's packed full of vitamins, antioxidants, a bit of fibre as well, which is obviously very good. So all I do is just plonk that in there. Now we have various different flavours of products. A lot more I've got in the cupboard. So today maybe we'll choose, what can I have today? Let's see what we've got here. Oh, cookies and cream. I love cookies and cream. So very simply we put 2 spoonfuls of cookies and cream in there, and that goes in there. Also, this will give you roughly 19 grams of protein as well, so that keeps you going. Also, because I've got a healthy lifestyle, I'm a very busy physical guy during the day, and then I need the extra protein. So all I very simply do is add maybe a spoon and a half of this. This is what we call protein drink mix, PDM. Each spoonful gives you roughly 15 grams of extra protein. It's about 220 sort of amino acids. So combined we should have roughly 220 calories, give or take. We can use blenders, but because I'm a busy guy, all I tend to do is use a little beaker, a hand whisk blender you can buy anywhere. I put my hand on the jug. As you can see, I can sometimes make a mess. And just blend for maybe 20 seconds, 10 to 15 seconds, until all the blueberries are mostly blended. That should do the job. And then all I very simply do, there's no mess whatsoever, I just pour into there. There's usually a little bit left over because I love my product. And that it is, guys. A simple, nutritious, healthy breakfast that will keep you going until lunchtime. Guaranteed. Enjoy.